Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for our double box number two. So we have four boxes here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll the dice. One, two, three is gonna be the top two, and four, five, six is gonna be the bottom two. All right, we're gonna roll the dice, and the dice will decide. It is number six. So we're gonna go with the bottom two. Good luck, guys. All right. Good luck, everyone. Jeremy Roenick for Philadelphia. Zachary Fucal for Montreal. Daniel Sprong for Pittsburgh. Oscar Lindbergh for Rangers. Frank Vetrano for Boston. For those Colton Parayko for St. Louis. For Philadelphia, we have a triple: Mark Alt, Peter Straka, and Evgeny Medvedev. Medvedev, number 2/599. Anzi Kopitar for LA Kings. We have Andreas Antanasiou for Detroit. Nice patch, number to 499. Alexander Steen, number to 99, jersey. Sorry about that. Bobby Fabry for St. Louis. We have a jersey, Emile Poirier for Calgary. All right. Box number two. Good luck. Looks like we got a patch right off the bat, and it's a redemption. Keep it on the side right there. Pavel Datsyuk for Detroit. Connor Prickly for Florida. Sam Bennett for Calgary. Jacob Slavin for Carolina. Colin Miller for Boston. Antoine Bibeau for Toronto. Jacob Slavin, numbered to 99. For Carolina. Denis Savard for Chicago. Mattis Janmark for Dallas. Nikolai Eller, numbered to 699 for the Jets. And our last pack. We have a Nikolai Goldobin for the Sharks. Our redemption is a 2015-16 NHL Fleer Showcase Hot Prospects Auto Patch, numbered to 299 for Calgary, Sam Bennett. All right, that's all for the break, guys. Thank you very much. You guys have a great night.